Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a ghost mirror video. First, gather your equipment, a camera, a tripod, and a mirror. Set up your camera on the tripod, ensuring it's stable and won't move between shots. Position your mirror in the frame where you want the ghost effect to appear. Good, consistent lighting is crucial for a seamless final result, so check your light sources carefully. Now, let's film your background layer. With your camera still on the tripod and the mirror in place, record an empty scene for at least 15 seconds. This shot should capture the room exactly as it is, without any people or moving objects. It's vital that the camera remains perfectly still throughout this recording to avoid any jarring movements in your final video. Next, it's time to film your ghost layer. Without moving the camera or tripod, have your ghost stand directly behind the mirror. Record their movements for about 15 to 20 seconds. The ghost should move slowly and deliberately, perhaps reaching out or slowly appearing. Remember, the camera must not shift its position at all between this shot and the previous one. Finally, let's edit your ghost mirror video. Import both your background and ghost clips into your video editing software. Place the ghost clip on a track above the background clip. Reduce the ghost clip's opacity, typically to somewhere between 25% and 40%, to create that transparent, ghostly appearance. Carefully align both clips to ensure the mirror and background match perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.